Let me tell you, there's a very simple remedy, one you probably haven't thought about, but it holds an ancient secret that old doctors used to treat a variety of health issues. It's not some complicated medication, just two ingredients. Ingredients you likely have in your kitchen right now. Yet, the effect this combination can have in just a few days might change the way you think about your health. In less than a week, you could start noticing changes, unexpected ones, in your body, your daily energy, and how you feel overall. I won't tell you what these ingredients are just yet, or how they'll impact your life, but stay with me. There's a lot you're about to discover. You know, my friend, there are simple things in life that we often overlook, but they hold the key to solving some of our biggest health concerns. Take, for example, this humble tea I want to tell you about today. Ginger tea with black pepper. Now you might be thinking, what could black pepper possibly add to ginger tea? Well, let me tell you, this simple combination packs more of a punch than you might expect. I've seen firsthand how it can change people's lives, and I think it can do the same for you. Why ginger and black pepper together? You've probably heard about ginger. It's been around for centuries, trusted for everything from soothing upset stomachs to improving circulation. But when you pair it with black pepper, something magical happens. You see, black pepper contains a compound called Hyperin, which helps your body absorb the active ingredients in ginger, especially gingerol, far more effectively. What does that mean for you? It means that the anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits of ginger become supercharged. Think of it as giving your body a boost in its healing powers. I remember a good friend of mine who struggled with constant stomach discomfort. I'd always tell him, "Why don't you try ginger?" And every time he'd respond with a bit of hesitation, "I've tried ginger, didn't feel much difference." But one day, we added just a pinch of black pepper to his ginger tea, and within a week, he felt a real change. He said, "I never thought black pepper would make such a difference." It was a reminder that sometimes the smallest adjustments can make the biggest impact. Boosting digestion. Let's start with digestion because really everything begins there, doesn't it? Ginger is well known for soothing the stomach and improving digestion, but it's not just about calming things down. It actually helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and aids in breaking down food more efficiently. Now, when you add black pepper to ginger, it's like giving your digestive system a little kick. Black pepper stimulates the production of digestive juices as well, making your body better equipped to absorb the nutrients from your food. I remember one time after a particularly heavy meal, I felt that familiar bloating and discomfort. I made myself a cup of this tea, and instead of that sluggish feeling that usually lingers for hours, I felt lighter within minutes. This tea could be your go-to after any heavy meal, or when you feel like your digestion just needs a bit of support. Fighting inflammation and pain. Of course, I can't talk about ginger without mentioning its ability to fight inflammation. You know how it is. The aches and pains we accumulate as the years go by, whether it's the back, the knees, or the shoulders, it's often inflammation that's behind the pain. That's where this combination of ginger and black pepper really works its magic. Ginger is already known for reducing inflammation, but when you add black pepper, the effect is magnified. Black pepper helps your body absorb ginger more efficiently, allowing its anti-inflammatory properties to work faster and deeper. I used to have this nagging pain in my knees after long walks, but after drinking this tea for about a week, I noticed a significant difference. It wasn't just pain relief, it felt like the inflammation itself was gradually receding. There's even research that shows this combo can help naturally reduce joint inflammation without the need for harsh medications. It's a simple, safe way to keep your joints healthy and your body feeling its best. Strengthening the immune system. Now let's move on to something equally important, your immune system. As we get older, our immune system doesn't always respond as quickly as it used to. This is where ginger and black pepper can step in to lend a hand. Black pepper contains powerful antioxidants that protect your body's cells from damage. Meanwhile, ginger boosts the immune system by fighting off inflammation and bacteria. Together, They create a powerhouse team to help protect your body from illness. I had a friend who used to catch colds constantly, especially after hitting 50. After incorporating ginger and black pepper tea into his daily routine for just a month, he noticed that he wasn't getting sick nearly as often. It was like his immune system had gotten a much-needed boost. Promoting skin health. Let's not forget about skin health either. We all want to feel good on the inside and look good on the outside, right? Ginger is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals that cause aging in the skin. Add in black pepper, which improves circulation to the skin, and you've got a recipe for a natural, healthy glow. I remember dealing with dry skin during one particularly harsh winter. I started drinking this tea daily, and within 2 weeks my skin felt softer, more hydrated, and it had a natural glow I hadn't seen in years. Something as simple as this tea can make a noticeable difference, not just in how you feel, but in how you look. Regulating blood sugar levels. Let me tell you about something else, something not everyone knows about. Ginger and black pepper tea can actually help in regulating blood sugar levels. Now, I know how important this is, especially after 50. Black pepper helps the body use insulin more efficiently, which means your blood sugar levels stay more stable. A friend of mine who was managing slightly elevated blood sugar levels started drinking this tea and found that his blood sugar readings became much more balanced. It's not a cure, of course, but it's an excellent addition to your daily routine if you're looking to support your blood sugar levels naturally. Supporting heart health. Now, let's talk about the heart, one of the most important organs in the body. Both ginger and black pepper have properties that can support heart health in different ways. Ginger is known to improve circulation, which helps lower blood pressure and keeps your heart functioning smoothly. Black pepper, on the other hand, can help reduce cholesterol levels, keeping your arteries clear and reducing the risk of heart disease. I have another story for you. My cousin had been dealing with high cholesterol for years. When he started drinking this tea regularly, his doctor was amazed at how much his cholesterol levels had improved in just a few months. It's these small changes that can make a big difference in the long run. How to make this powerful tea? Now let me show you how to make this ginger and black pepper tea at home. It's simple really. 1. Start with a cup of hot water. 2. Add about 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use a half teaspoon of ginger powder, but fresh is always better. 3. Add a pinch of black pepper. Just a small amount is all you need. 4. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. 5. If you'd like, add a little honey to sweeten it up. Honey has its own health benefits, but that's a story for another day. Drink this once a day, preferably in the morning or after a meal, to help with digestion. When to avoid this tea? Of course, not everything is for everyone. If you have stomach ulcers or a particularly sensitive stomach, the spiciness of black pepper could cause irritation. In that case, it's best to reduce the amount of black pepper or avoid it altogether. Also, if you're on any medications, especially blood thinners or medication for high blood pressure, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before adding anything new to your routine. Black pepper can sometimes interfere with how medications are absorbed, so it's always wise to check first. So my friend, ginger and black pepper, 2 simple ingredients, but together they can make a world of difference. Whether you're dealing with inflammation, digestive issues, or just want to give your body an overall boost, this tea is something you can easily incorporate into your daily life. And remember, the results may not be instant, but give it a week, just 7 days, and see how you feel. I'm confident you'll notice a difference, just like I and many of my friends have. It's a small change, but sometimes those are the ones that make the biggest impact. So, why not give it a try? You might just find that this simple tea becomes your new favorite daily ritual. With this tea, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. It's about using the natural gifts we've had all along, things that have been trusted for generations. And now it's your turn to experience the benefits.